Welcome to the Learn a Language channel. This is where you can improve your English with micro stories. Hi, I'm Emma. I had a dream of visiting a tropical island. So, I bought airplane tickets and made sure my passport was ready. I packed a big suitcase with clothes and other things I needed. I also had a small bag for the airplane where I kept my passport and ticket safe. On the big day, I arrived at the airport early. This way, I had enough time for everything. At the airport, I went to the airline counter where I checked in my luggage. They gave me a boarding pass, like a map for my trip. It had all my flight details. Then, I went to the security checkpoint. I had to take off my shoes, put my liquids in a clear bag, and show my laptop to the officers. I had some time to explore the airport. It had shops, restaurants, and stores where I could buy things tax-free. I kept an eye on the departure boards. They showed me when it was time to board. When it was time, I followed the signs to find my departure gate. I showed my boarding pass and passport, and then I got on the airplane and found my seat by the window. I put my small bag in a special spot and sat down. The flight attendants told us about safety. It's important to listen, even if you've heard it before. On the plane, I relaxed, watched movies, and had snacks. I looked out the window and saw fluffy clouds like giant cotton candy. It felt like an adventure in the sky. When we landed, I stayed seated until they said it was okay to get up. Then, I took my small bag and followed the signs to the arrival area. Since it was an international flight, I had to go through customs and immigration. I had my passport and papers ready for checking, just like I planned. I went to the baggage claim area to get my checked luggage, and after that it was finally time to start my adventure on the beautiful island. Thanks for joining me on this trip. I look forward to seeing you again next time. If you want to improve your English, here are a few more ideas for you.